Hi everybody, it's Mark again. Still working on this 1917 Junghans antique German mantle clock. And in the last video I showed you that the hour side governor ply was bent, and I straightened that out. And so we'll see what happens. Quarter hour, half hour, three-quarters of the hour, and on top of the hour. As you see, it functioned properly. The hour side did not raise it up and bounce the gongs too fast, and that's because the governor fan was too loose and the arbor was bent. But anyway, we're getting there. I think it's about time to put this movement back in the case and see what happens. I hope y'all are liking these videos. Please leave me some comments, and God bless.